guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make chicken larb gai. I buy this one from Chinese market at GW market, Great Wall market. If you live in Maryland, they have the Chinese market. So this ground chicken, you don't have to work so hard. They already did for you. This is a lot right here. And first, chop garlic. Why I put chopped garlic? Because more herb, more benefit to you, especially we have the coronavirus right now. Is that we need to eat a lot of herb the best you can. For the Lao Asian family, our culture, we eat a lot of herb to be medicine. So garlic and red onion. This is key lime leaf. I'm gonna share with you key lime leaf look like. Okay, this key lime leaf trees. I just pick up like 4 or 5 leaves and then chop very fine. I just show you key lime leaf tree look like. Red onion, key lime leaf. This galanka. Galanka is very herb from Laos. This is look like that, okay? Frozen galanka, and you can buy it frozen anytime. In the Asian market period, they have that, and it's only like $2 right here. You can eat for a long time. That's gonna take care of you if you have a problem. Like tough time right now. We have coronavirus. We eat a lot of herb food. So this is Lao hot cherry pepper, and Lao hot pepper is vitamin C. And helping you for fighting cold, cancer, all this and that. And this is I chop very fine hot cherry, and this is cilantro. Oh, they'll just add on a little bit because what I got, you don't matter what kind of vegetable you want to put, as long as it smells like herb, and then you just go ahead and add on as cilantro and lime. Lime's a vitamin C. And that's why you put a lot of herb in here when I cook, 2 lime and herb sour. And this family of mint, okay? So I don't know how to say this. We call harb, pak harb, and that's it. So let's go start it. I'm gonna show you how to cook the chicken, okay? Okay, let's go start it. I'm using avocado oil. It don't matter what kind of oil you wanna use, but I have healthy oil, so I'm go ahead and use it. Put the oil first. Okay, that's enough, just like that. Maybe 3 spoons, I would say. Okay, the oil just 1 minute later, oil getting hot now, so I'm gonna go ahead and drop off garlic. The tough time like the coronavirus problem. We need to cooking good food and a lot of herb the best you can, because basically the medicine take care of your body. You don't have to worry so much if you eat good food, a lot of herb. That's what I cook right now, and everything be fine. Feel strong and healthy, eat a good food and herb on your food, So that's what a Lao family, Laos people, Laos, we like to eat a lot of herb in our food. We love to eat spicy and more herb than anything else. That's what we're eating. So I'm gonna show you how to cook this herb cooking food, so benefit for you all the way. This is garlic yellow now. I'm gonna go ahead and drop this chicken there. Just go ahead, cook about, I have to say 90%, okay? 90% good. Okay, when I cook my larb, I love the seasoning, chicken broth powder. The chicken broth powder right here. Go ahead, put chicken broth powder in here. I like to put sea salt just a little bit, just make a seasoning a little bit. That's it, just like that. So they're just stir, Make a good taste when you make larb. Easy to get seasoning very good, because the seasoning a little bit in here when the meat is still cooking right now. The chicken cooking about 80% right now. I wait for 10 more percent. I will say 90% cooking should be fine, because you don't want to overcook, because the meat gonna be dry out. So just about 90%, okay? This is about to get done right now, and I'm gonna show you how to seasoning larb, the herb larb. It's gonna be take care for you, especially tough time like this, guy. We need to eat a lot of good food, a lot of herb, a lot of food is medicine for you. Okay, now my chicken is already cooked. Go ahead, put it in a container like this. Yes, cooking food like a medicine. So taking care care of your body so you don't get sick easy, okay? But when you eat good food, you don't get sick easy because this food will protect you. Eat food like a medicine. Okay, this is already cooked. Let it cool down for a minute, okay? Okay, let's go start make the seasoning of larb. Here's the lamb. This is, I love sour. The more sour, more vitamin C for you, okay guys? I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze the lamb in here. Just like that. Put more lambs, more good. I love sour. You know, cooking food is like a medicine. You should eat and happy. This roast the rice. You can bring the rice like this, the plain rice, and you stir fry like good yellow, golden yellow, and you blend it. It's easy and they come just like that, okay? And then you want to have the flavor stay longer, you can put in the freezer, and then the flavor don't go out. It will stay 1 year, 2 years, no problem. Just go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead, put in here, roast the fried rice, okay? And a little bit, tiny bit sugar, because I put lamb. You want flavor, you put sugar in there. And then this is a Larb fish sauce, padek, okay? And put in there about 2 spoons. And this is Thai fish sauce. Just put in there about 2 spoons. If not enough, you always taste and then add on some more. So let's make a seasoning, okay? Yeah, mix them together and taste. Taste first. If you like the taste, you don't like, you add on some more. Add more fish sauce a little bit. See, if you need more fish sauce. That's it. Now you mix again. You mix it. Just tiny bit like that, okay? Taste again. Now it's very good. This is all the herb right here. The key is always prep first before you mix them together so everything easy for you. Here galanka, hot pepper, lamb, key lamb leaf. Okay, I'm gonna mix again after this. Seasoning, mix them together and taste. It's all the herb food right here. You know, this is time right here you eat food like this. It's helping your immune system. So well. Now, when the food good like that, tastes good like that, you're gonna go ahead and put red onion in there first. Now, this tastes gonna be so good. They call chicken salad, but it's not really salad. You can say that because that's American. They call chicken salad, but for us, we eat with rice. Called larb, L-A-R-B, larb, chicken larb, larb guy. Okay. And now everything done right now. I'm gonna go ahead and put cilantro in, and the mint. That's it, guys. Very easy, simple. Cooking food is not that hard. As long as you prepare everything ready and put them together just like that. Look at this. So good. And herb, eating medicine, cooking food like medicine. That's, I just told you. If you follow me, it's very easy. It's not that hard. Everything's so easy and simple. Okay. Please keep watching and thumbs up, subscribe for me, and make me happy to create more and more so I can share with you guys. Okay, this is ready to go. Done right here. See that? Here you have it. Larb ready. Look at that. Nice and herb looking, right? So easy. Go ahead, do it, guys. Very simple, and try to look step by step. I show you very easy. It's nothing hard. So simple. Okay. I want to share with you. This is my ingredient I put on today. This is the ground rice, fried ground rice. This is the sugar, not much. This is the padek. Padek, you know, it's a Larb fish sauce, and this is Thai fish sauce, okay? And chicken broth powder. That's it. Salt, sea salt right here. That's all the ingredient I put. Very simple. Very simple. If you don't have anything too much, just put fish sauce and lamb and chicken broth powder. You're good to go. But make sure you got this because this is make the one to call Larb. Okay, this is Larb food. Okay guys, Larb ready to serve. Okay, so always eat with vegetable, just on the top of vegetable like that. Okay, just ready to serve. Eat good food and feel happy. You know, make your day. That's the Larb right there on top of vegetable. You love hot pepper, always topping. Green pepper, red pepper, you know, topping there. You know, if you love hot pepper, so topping. So if you don't want it, what you put in, that's what you got. That's it. Okay, one last. I serve with rice, guys. This is steamed rice. Anybody know how to steam rice so easy? So just serve with rice. That's how we eat, serve with rice, you know. There you go. Serve with rice just like that, guys. There you have it. Nice and yum, right? Look at that. Okay. Let's sit down, go and eat.